Like.
Bible.
Bible.
Say Bible.
Slow bag. Slow.
A slur.
What a slow. Annoying.
So annoying.
Crazy.
This one is crazy.
Literally gonna strangle her. Totally. Such a good idea.
Seriously?
I mean, seriously? Frustrating.
It's just so frustrating.
I feel like it's a really good investment.
I'm over it.
I'm like so over it.
Good girl. I touched